celebrating his success with gunfire and song. The man firing the pistol is Amanj Hassan Zada, known to the people he helped to illegally enter the UK as Amanj Zaman. His colleagues sing his praises, calling him the #1 smuggler, the best agent, and a brave man whose enemies fear him. Today, Zada was found guilty of 3 counts of assisting the illegal immigration of 7 people into the UK in November and December last year. Such was his arrogance, he put adverts for his illegal services online, using testimonials from the young Kurds he'd helped to cross multiple borders. Travelling, however necessary, even at times by yacht, the immigrants, few carrying identification, moved through Turkey, Greece, Macedonia, Serbia, Slovakia, the Czech Republic, Poland, Germany and France, then eventually by dinghy across the Channel.
You're under arrest on suspicion of arranging and facilitating the illegal immigration into the United Kingdom.
The National Crime Agency had been surveilling Zada for several months before it eventually arrested him at his home in Preston in May. It believes he's responsible for many more illegal crossings.
This conviction is an example of how seriously organised immigration crime is taken, and it is a message to others involved in organised immigration crime that the National Crime Agency will look to identify them, will look to gather evidence of their offending, put them in front of the courts and ultimately convict them to terms of imprisonment.
People trafficking, particularly across the English Channel, is a lucrative business. This week, the Prime Minister promised millions of pounds more in funding to smash the gangs who've been responsible for almost 30,000 illegal crossings this year. On the 3 days that Zada's passengers made their crossings, so too did over 1,000 others. Sentencing Zada to 17 years in prison, his honour Judge Jeffries KC told him that he had no doubt that his motivation was purely financial and not humanitarian in any way. He said that deterrence had to form a strong part of his sentencing procedure. The judge and the immigration authorities hope this case will show other people smugglers that, like Amanj Zada, they're not above the law and that they too will soon have little reason to celebrate.